Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to create a quiz on the Amazon Alexa application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the app on your phone. After that, you should click on the More button down below and tap on the See More button. Click on Blueprints and then tap on the All section in the middle of the screen. Scroll down again till you find the Quiz section. Tap on it. Then you should click on Make Your Own down below. Here you should scroll down and type in the question. And then the answer should be added to, and then you can add the follow-up fact. So all you have to do is just typing in your question to this question box, then provide the answer and the follow-up fact. Add as many questions and answers you want to by tapping on the Add Q&A button down below. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.